Lecture 26. Have you ever wondered why all the planets in our solar system, including Earth, rotate counterclockwise? Or why a motorcyclist doesn't tumble off a wall while performing a gravity-defying stunt? The answer lies in an intriguing process called the synchronization of matter. At its core, synchronization of matter is a process of balancing. Picture a seesaw or a scale constantly adjusting to keep both sides at an equilibrium. This process is complex and ongoing due to the constant transfer of excess inertia, or momentum, between particles of matter. Imagine two dancers spinning in unison, their movements perfectly aligned. This is much like the synchronization of particles. As they synchronize, they generate tension and rotation. Once they are in sync, their combined strength and their field of rotation unify. It is this synchronized dance of particles that gives rise to the counterclockwise rotation of the planets of our solar system and the Sun. But what happens to the excess tension? It doesn't just disappear, it is carried away with particle flows. Intense matter from deep within the planet finds its way to the surface, balancing with space, discharging and leaving behind a trail of particles, our atmosphere. Fields and objects are essentially concentrations of particles. Fields represent a weak concentration that doesn't trigger any significant reactions in us. Objects, on the other hand, represent a strong concentration of particles. We ourselves are composed of active matter, constantly seeking its sources and utilizing the inertia of its decay in engines and reactors. Attraction and repulsion are not mystical forces but the resulting vector of forces due to imbalance. There's no such thing as objects pushing one another in the universe. For instance, if our attraction to Earth were simply a result of repulsion from the Sun, people would be flung into space from the far side of the planet. Consider the motorcyclist performing a circular wall ride. The forward motion becomes the primary force vector, with gravity acting as the resisting force. The motorcycle is a complex inertial system. The particles react with a delay, hence during continuous driving, forward movements offset backward movements, and before stopping, the motorcyclist subtly reduces the force of movement.